Hi there, I wanted to share with you a couple of things about my new interchangeable design that are important regarding the assembling. So you see we have three base layers here. I tested my design at around 7 inches width, but it is saved at 12 inches and you can freely resize it to fit your needs. There is no problem with that, and the slots will always fit. They don't depend on the thickness of the material, so you can make it the size you want. We have three layers. We have this back layer, this is the round. We have this plate with the welcome, and we have the cat. The cat itself is two layers, as you can see. This one is the back layer. It contains the slot for the add-ons, and we have the head that hides those slots and basically makes the design usable even without the add-ons. So let me show you some important things. First of all, this piece here, you need to use the same material thickness or make it slightly thicker than the base of the add-ons. So remember what you used because you need to be able to insert this add-on here, and this creates the space for the base piece. So if you use the same material thickness, let me show you, you will have this tight fit, and this is how the sign looks from the side. I like it this way, but you might prefer to use, let's say, 1/4 inch material for here and 1/8 material for here. This will give you a little bit looser fit, but it will be easier for you to insert the add-ons. Okay, the second thing is again about thickness. You see that the add-ons have this small piece here. This is the spacer. It creates room for the add-on so it can slide and needs to be the same thickness as the head of the cat. So you can push it down. Third thing that is very important is about these holes here. If you decide to use them and hang your sign this way, don't move them. They are here on purpose, and let me show you what I mean. All of the add-ons will fit between the holes, and even though for this add-on and for the sunflowers and the strawberries this is not so important, for the higher add-ons, like for instance the bunny ears, it's very important. And here is what I made. The base piece will always fit between the holes, and the twine will not push the design forward. You see, you can hang it and remove the add-on without any problems. Next thing I wanted to share with you is about this base piece. After the tests, I actually decided to make this one a full piece instead of having those 3 slots, because I think it will be easier for you to put the add-on without searching for the place it needs to fit. So this is something I changed, and you might face a situation where it's a little bit difficult to slide the add-on. So if this happens, you can gently press the ear of the cat and it will fit. I think this happens because this design has many layers, and if you have bought any of my other files, you know that I usually provide these kind of elements in 2 versions, score and paint and cut and assemble. For the purpose of the tests, I used the cut and assemble version to make sure that everything fits fine, but this makes the top layer slightly heavier, and probably during the drying, the weight of the material leaned the design slightly forward, so this might create some resistance when you try to put the add-on. In order to prevent that, you can slightly sand the base piece prior assembling. I actually did it afterwards. I only sanded here and here, and this solved the problem, and now it's much easier to put it this way. If you decide to use the score and paint version, I know that there are customers that prefer painting instead of cutting small pieces. It might be much easier. Let me show you with this pilgrim hat. It's using only the base, and these are decorations. They are not so heavy, so it's pretty easy to put it and remove it. So this is it. I just wanted to show you the other hat design that I have. This add-on of the witch hat, it will also be okay even if used with twine, and it will not push it forward, just keep those holes in place. So this is it. I hope you like it, and see you soon. Bye.